Want to know two things to remember when it comes to MSRP and options on a new bike? Keep watching. Hey everybody, welcome to part 3 of our small talk educational video series here at Wilkins Harley-Davidson. And today, I'm your video host, John. So today we're talking about MSRP. What is that? Well, most of you probably know it's your manufacturer's suggested retail price. On a Harley-Davidson, where do you find it? Easy enough. It's just like our freight video we had. You can go right to harley-davidson.com. Click on the bike, it'll list the bike, MSRP, options that it has. So infotainment, RDRS would be one, trim would be another one. Those all do affect pricing and MSRP on a motorcycle, so that's something to keep in mind. Color option would be another. So those are a few things to do to check out. So what do I suggest doing when you're shopping a new bike? Well, sometimes it's good to slow down a little bit. See what I did there? So what you're going to do is you're going to ask the dealer you're working with, how did they come up with the pricing of the motorcycle, including MSRP? Did they calculate in all the options? Because sometimes what happens is they might quote you a price on a bike, add MSRP, but not include the options on that bike that are associated with the price until down the line on your bill of sale. So I assure you, you're probably still paying for it. It just wasn't in the quoted pricing because the bike is one price, everything else is another. So save yourself some time, effort, and frustration. Slow down a little bit. Ask them, what is the price? How did they calculate it? And ask them to even go as far as to print it off. But the good news is, as a consumer, you can go right online and you can check your facts as well and make sure you know what you're looking at. Same can be said for freight. If you haven't seen that video, I suggest watching it, as well as the one on setup, which is part 2. A great video with John Lyon educates you on another portion of this, which is the 3 fundamental values that go into pricing a new bike across the board. So thank you for watching. Again, just touching back on MSRP, slow down, check in on what the pricing is, calculate it yourself if you want to, but make sure to read all the lines. And if you want to know about how to save some green by looking for what's in the gray, we'll have a video for you as well on that. Thank you very much, guys. Be good. Have an awesome time. Ride safe. I'm out.